Okay, that is. I don't know what's wrong. Okay, guys, welcome to this game, and I'm playing Will You Press the Button, and it's super cool. It's where you get a choice, and yes, you will have to. There's a good thing, but there's also a bad thing. And if you press I will not if you don't agree, and you will press the button if you agree. So let's get right into the video. Okay. You can go into or out of any video games you want. Ooh, but you can't play any sort of multiplayer while inside of a game. This is a big opportunity because I can go in Minecraft. So I'm definitely pressing the button. Yes! 22 people did not press the button. Next. You're made a genius. But everyone else becomes retarded. I will not. Yeah. 1 second, guys. Okay. Yeah, let's go to the comments. I'd rather talk to people I can relate to than end up like Loki with a bunch of rocks. That is a good choice. I understood that reference. Very long ago. Yes. Mattress Hill. I already genius. Everybody is already retarded to me. Meanie. Bended. I know retarded any. I am now your supreme overlord. LOL. True, let me use it in a true sentence. Humanity is known for making retarded choices that ruin the earth. Why these people? Yes. Okay, your mind becomes a computer with 500 Gs of hard drive space and can open a browser in your eyes to do as you wish. It has a max overload speed of... No. I will not. Oh, that was so close. Comments. I need comments. Doesn't mean you have Wi-Fi, and yeah, the human brain has much, much more storage than the best computers out there. Play the no connection dinosaur game on the go. Just download it while you're sleeping and wake up to a lovely illegal download. Would you like viruses with those illegal downloads? Scientists believe that the human mind has some petabytes of memory, so 500 GB is nothing. I heard it was around 600 yottabytes. I have no idea. The human brain has about 2.5 petabytes of information. Exactly. No upside whatsoever. The upside would be a downgrade. The downside makes it even worse. Ooh, no. I don't want to. I will press the button. I will not press the button. You earn an additional 75,000 without extra work legally, but still taxed. Every single person you talk to will be completely honest with you, whether or not you wanted to hear. Press it, I guess. honey, can you go? You earn additional. Anyone watch Supernatural? Get this. What's YouTube.com watch? That's what Rattle Honesty is still wanted. The truth is a dangerous thing. I know. Okay. Those are both good. I can always tell if someone is lying. Got not here. Maybe it's 75,000 just one time, but it helps, and it's really great that people will be honest. It hurts sometimes, but worth. You've been sleeping with who? I want to talk to someone with a secret. They'll be honest to share the secret too. Me, I'm gonna share their secret to everyone. Yeah, do that. Downside not found. Well, I don't. Okay, no. You can teleport anywhere in the universe just by thinking of an area you want to go to. Babyland. But you have to keep your thoughts focused on your area or you will continue teleporting uncontrollably. You know what? I'm pressing the button. Deet. Beep. You can teleport anywhere in the universe. I mean, who wouldn't want that? I wonder if Endermen have this problem. I asked the banana derman. I can see this going horribly wrong. Same here. Didn't say anything about fictional places. Wink, wink. Ooh, like burnt down house. Dagon Alley. Dragon Alley. Since my mind tests are to wander places, this would probably land me in jail and volcano or a scary place. Same. Kinda like operating. Like, I like the way you think. Don't think of space, portal flashback. I'd die so quickly, but you could win the hide and seek championship. Oh. I'm gonna win the hide and seek championship. Ha 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 ha. Will you press a button if you get infinite money? This causes inflation, pushing millions to pro. I will not. I then proceed to donate money to every charity on the planet. Wrong. If you give your money to them, currency itself becomes less valuable until it is worth nothing. Then you give the poverty homes to live in. Make your own community. Sorry guys, what's that? Give property to live in, make your own community, have a peaceful nation, life win. Wrong. If you give your money to them, currency itself becomes less valuable until it's worth nothing. I don't think you know how inflation works. I don't think you know how. Next. Will you press the button? You can have any car of your dreams. You can only drive 25 miles a day. What if I want to go to China? Can my car turn into a boat? Oh, I can make my car turn into a boat, but I can't go to China. I guess sure. Hey, 25 miles and more is and is more than enough for a DeLorean than Doc Brown set to travel. Or Tesla? Sell the car and buy your second dream car. You're smart. What downside? Can I just sit here and not move? You'd look cool, I guess. I can sell it. Can't drive. I'm only 10. Well, now you're 12. Finish? You sell your car for too much money and then buy your fancy home. What's the bad part? Then you will buy a normal car and drive more than 50 miles a day. Well, I don't have to go very far anyway, so what's the downside? To the Batmobile. Oh, the Batmobile. Sell the car, idiot. Sell the car. Okay, everybody's saying to sell the car. That's good. You can smell and taste colors, but you are blind. No, I'm not going to be blind. Yeah, I did it again. Ain't nothing so bad about being blind. Did anyone else think of terrorism when they saw this? Isn't Terzi the beast in Avatar? I am now I think gray would taste very good. Why gray? Why not brown or black? Burnt hot dogs crap. Well, maybe chocolate, but you know. Tell chef, sir, I have a problem. I can't taste the purple in my soup. Now I can smell the taste. The rainbow. And someone's talking in China. What was this? No anime, no chance. I already am blind. If you taste a rainbow, good luck eating the rainbow if you swallow you. Okay, let's go. You authorize a bloke who would otherwise live in intense agony for 75 years, his only chance to die painlessly. He has secrets and information that would benefit scientists advanced in most respectable fields, and it would give to the grave, and will not take, and he will take. I'm sorry, but I had to. See fire. Next, after this, you become invisible, only at random times for random lengths of time. Sure. And I think that will be all for this video. Sorry.